Hello and welcome to as you can see, the goat section of Kava Juru Farms. This is the goat section. We're doing mainly goat farming over like 70% of the farm. The rest of the 20 to 30% is for horticulture farming. But this is mostly goat farming. Starting from this is the boundary of the farm, which goes above, hills and valleys. So welcome to the goat section of Kava Juru Farms. So you can see here we have the goat farm. We'll come along. These are the boundaries of the goat house and the goat area where they come to sleep and have their meals. So at the moment the goats are out with the headers. They've gone out to feed and graze. We're soon going to have a patch of grass we're going to farm to feed the goats with chlorine seeds. And we also have to, as you can see, we need to reinforce the walls and the boundaries of the goat house. But come on in. So like we said, the goats are out with the goat headers, but this is where they come to stay. After they've gone out to graze, they come and stay here and they sleep obviously here at night. And also we feed them in these pots with some feeds and vitamins to make sure they're nice and healthy. That's the goat house that has a capacity to sleep 400 goats. We plan to build another goat house here to sleep about another 800. Okay, so while they're out, we can see one of the goat houses. You have some of the goat kids in here. So these are some of the goat kids that we can say hello to. You can see there's very nice and rocky, nice play area for the goats. So these are some of the goat kids. So you got some of the goat kids in the house, which they will feed when their mothers come back. They will feed from their mothers. So we also have a full-time vet here who checks them regularly for skin diseases, worms. They get vaccinated. So we try and keep them nice and healthy. So that's it on the... Yeah, we still have a lot of work to patch this place up. It's been going for 2 years now, so the goats have had a good time at working on the fences. So we have to do a lot of reinforcing of the boundaries and the fences and patch up the goat house and keep it well maintained. So, Murakoze.